Okay, let's work with multiple sorts in the data model, and then let's take a look at multiple sorts in tables. So I'll go grab some data, choose my lots of data. That's an easy one to work with. I'll bring in data in cells. I'll go ahead and transform data. This brings me into Power Query, of course. And I'm unsure. I must have already connected to this, so let me delete this one. Okay, so here's my data. And I want to sort my model by default with last name and then first name. So let me just go ahead and sort last name. And then I'll go to first name. And even though these are hard to see, there's a little 1 and a little 2 there. This lets me see the sort orders, right? And then I could even go as far as to add a third sort. Let's sort it up by product name. So this is going to sort all the last names and then all the first names, and then it'll sort all the product names, and you see the little 3 there. That is how you do sorting inside your model. By default, when you bring it over, it'll automatically be sorted by that, which you might like. Okay, so let me go turn that sort. Okay, let me delete my sorted rows. And then I'm back to what I was originally. Let me show you another way you can sort. And this is on a table visual. So maybe for this specific visual, you need it to be custom sorted by more than one field. So I'm going to add my table. I'll go to my data. And let's see, I'm going to bring in last name. And then first name. And then product name. And then let's grab the quantity. And for quantity, yeah, I just want to confirm that it's summing that. That's perfect. And then I'm going to drag that ship via in the mix. And I really think I want to see product name. There we go. So right now, if I click on ship via, then I'm sorting, right? But the minute I click on product name, I'm taking the sort off of ship via and putting it on product name. So let me go back to sort by ship via. I'm going to hold my shift key and click on product name. And now I'm sorted by 2 different columns in this table visual. Not all visuals will allow you to do that, but this is great for a table visual. Okay, so you've seen how to sort in your data model, and now you've seen how to sort in a table visual inside of Power BI.